Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the SLOTHANA token. Now the SLOTHANA token is a brand new token in pre-sale here, and obviously this is on the Solana blockchain. And so far it says that in a new recent article here from Crypto Times, it says they've raised $1.5 million in their pre-sale. So doing very well. And we're going to go over the SLOTHANA token, and we're going to see if there's any security risks, any warnings, maybe in a quick audit or a full audit. We're going to check to see if their team is doxxed, if they have a KYC, anything important like that that could be any potential red flags or security issues or things like that. We're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is a brand new project. I'm looking at their Twitter right now. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there. And basically they just joined in March 2024. So this is hot off the press. I'm going to try to search their contract address so I searched it on Dex Tools. Nothing pops up. I'm sure if I do the same on Dex Screener, nothing will pop up. So they don't have any sort of like pools created or anything like that. Nope, it's not on Dex Screener either. So yeah, no pools created on any of these sites yet. This is just very much in pre-sale still. If you go to their webpage, slothana.com/en, the only social link that they have is a Twitter. So just be aware of that. One social. That's all they have. And if you go over to their social, their Twitter, all they have, I'm going to put their Twitter up right there, is the contract address, which I searched and you can't find any pools of. And they have their webpage right there. So at SLOTHANA Coin on Twitter, and they only have 9 tweets. It says slovenly on Sol. It says they're from New York, but who knows if they're actually from New York. 3,516 followers. So their pin tweet here says, "Wow, Sloth's jaw is dropping at the Sol flooding in from our slovenly supporters. What a bunch of lazy legends. Let's take SLOTHANA to the moon. And remember, only send from your on-chain wallets. Sloth can't airdrop to exchanges." So just be aware of that, first of all. Then 19 hours ago, they tweeted out, "Fellow Sloths, a quick update from your favorite crypto connoisseur. I hear some of you are getting antsy about those SLOTHANA tokens. Fear not, my slovenly supporters. The token drop will happen once our pre-sale reaches its lazy conclusion." So it's basically saying you're not even going to get airdropped your tokens until the pre-sale is done. So just be aware of that. And then it says here, "I promise to keep you updated on progress, so hang tight and get ready to embrace the sloth life with me. Exciting news, fellow lazy sloths. Our lazy sloth buy widget is now live on SLOTHANA's site. No more excuses. Even the laziest among us can now send Sol with ease. Say no to slovenly sloth and yes to crypto Chad Lambo time." I'm just going through all their tweets here. So basically, it says send Sol to, and then it has a contract address. Now that is their first tweet from March 25th. So that's basically when this pre-sale started. And and then basically it's just A whole bunch of other tweets saying stuff is live. So 9 tweets, nothing about team doxing, nothing about auditing, nothing in their Twitter, which is their only social, about security. So just be aware of that. And they're also saying we're not going to send you anything until the pre-sale's over. So take that with a grain of salt right there. Now, if we go to their webpage, which is the only other place where this token is at, or basically the only other site, I should say, is their webpage, and these news articles. So I saw a couple news articles. One of them is the Crypto Times. So it says they raised $1.5 million. I don't even know where he found that they raised $1.5 million. Now, I'm just looking through, because this is 4 days old. They're saying they raised $1.5 million already. So in the news article, it says the token is currently trading at, and then it has a certain price per token set to increase in the pre-sale. Many investors believe the team behind SLOTHANA is also responsible for SMOG. So if you listen to the wording there, it says many investors believe. Now that means nothing, because they're not saying it is the team of SMOG, and who knows if SMOG is even 100% legit, even if it is the same team. But yeah, and then that's the whole news article. Like, there's hardly anything else. So you could probably find tons of the news articles like this all over the place. Now, I don't know if they're paid news articles or not. So who knows about that either, right? Because, like, how does this person even know they raised that amount? On their webpage, though, now it says they raised $2,747,922. So they raised almost $3 million so far, and but you can't verify that. So that's, you know what I mean? It says 1 SOL equals 10,000 Sloth. And then it says buy now before launch. So basically you put in how much Sloth. There's a buy now button. I'm going to click on that in a second, see what happens. And then it says you can only send SOL to this address and then wait for the airdrop. It says join SLOTHANA's journey from leafy lounges to crypto riches. Pre-sale happening now. Embrace the Sloth life. Let your soul soar on SLOTHANA. Pre-sale spots limited from 420 to 420 million. With SLOTHANA, dive into the Sloth pre-sale. How to buy. Press buy now above and connect your wallet. Enter the SOL to swap for Sloth. Hit buy now again. Confirm transaction. If you can't connect your wallet, just send SOL to, and then it has the contract address, and tokens will be airdropped. Now, don't use central exchanges. Use your own wallet. So that's all the info on the whole page. No audit, no KYC, zero security. So when you click on buy now, it basically says you can connect your Soulflare, Phantom, Trust, or Coinbase wallet. If you're on mobile, please open Inside's wallet built-in browser. If you're unable to connect, send tokens directly to that. So basically, there's no security on this token whatsoever. You can't, at least some of these scammy type pre-sales. I'm not saying this token is scammy. I'm just saying some of these scammy type pre-sales have audits, and you can check them, and then they have warnings in the audit, so at least you could go by that. This has no audit, no team doxing, one social, one very sketchy web page, and it just says, hey, send the SOL. Send us your Solana coins, and that's it. There's nothing else. So, I mean, the risk is very high on this project. Very, very, very high risk. So just be aware of that. I'm not saying 100% it's a scam or anything like that. I'm not saying it's not a scam. I'm saying it's super high risk, okay? Because there's no security whatsoever. Nothing you could possibly think of in the form of security. And I would say it has some of the least security out of tokens. So take it with a grain of salt. Do your own research. Now, I'm going to be posting a lot of Solana tokens today. There's been a lot of new Sol meme coins listed and trending right now. Very popular. Some of them are up hundreds of thousands of % today on their charts. So check out my other videos. Today we're going over a lot of Sol tokens. But this one is super risky, so just be aware of that. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.